Hey, Christian, come on in.
Let's go. We got
Let's
beer
do
to
it.
drink.
That's right. Clement's Homebrew.
Coming at ya.
Hey, it's Homebrew Wednesday, and it's
It is.
holiday season.
Yeah, it is.
So we've got a few things going on. We'll show you real quick, but first let's take a quick clip. We've got the brown beer going, and it's gone into the secondary with the ginger cookies.
Nice.
Check it out.
All right, I know this looks silly. I've had to move my fermenting indoors to my office space because it's just too cold, even with the insulated fermentation chamber out now that's coming on to Christmas soon. And but what I've got here are my triple ginger snaps from Trader Joe's, all natural ingredients, and I am going to just start popping these babies into my secondary, and then we're going to drop some brown ale on top of that. So from the primary. So we'll see how this goes. I'll show you some more footage after I get this bad boy filled. And now that everything's all sterilized, I'll have to wait and save one cookie to eat at the end.
So,
right.
anyway, and you know, we're gonna get brewing some more stuff here pretty quick. We've been looking at it's winter, you know. I don't know. I don't want to get out in the garage and do an all grain right now. I'm just not in the
someone's
mood.
motorcycle's in the way.
Someone's motorcycle is where we brew. I don't know whose,
Yeah. some
but
guys.
we were looking at some kits,
Yeah.
and there were like some Brewmaster series or something like that.
Yeah, there was one by Rogue, an Imperial IPA that we were looking at.
Yeah. So we're thinking we're going to do the Imperial IPA, the Rogue one. That sounds pretty cool.
Kind of be fun.
And, of course, we've got a lot of drinking to do.
Oh, yes.
A lot of beer reviews. In fact, I took a little clip of some of the beer earlier. Here, let me just show you. We got to unload.
I've been so bad, and I have so much beer to drink. Christian needs to get over here and get busy drinking with me. We've got a lot of beer to review.
The fermentation chamber's full. We're gonna have to make room down below for some of Christian's beers. That's a 2008. Ooh. Mother of all storms, Pelican. I've heard that this Twin Evil's amazing. Vertical 12, 12, 12. Old Rasputin, got a couple bottles there. Firestone 15. I've got a 16 below. Oh, I heard this is crazy good. Jolly Pumpkin. Maracabo Special Brown Ale. So this is like a sour with cocoa and spices. Brush River Consecration, Supplication, Cuvée des Jacobins. I heard that's good. Of course, we got a case of Abyss 2012 there. What do we got down here? More hair of the dog. Some homebrews. Oh, most of a case of Doggy Claws and Michael and Cherry Adam. So, any of you serious traders, I got lots of those. And oh my God, more here. There's a 16 in the back, and way back there you've got a pumpkin one that's being saved for a year, and a bunch of Abyss 2011, Flanders Red, Dissident, Old Ruffian, Commons. Let's see, up here we got Beast and Samuels 2000. That's an early bottle. Rumpkin. Oh, let's see what we've got in the wine cooler here. There are a few wines. Well, let's see. Oh yeah, we've got a bunch of XXIV Black Buttes and aging some of the pumpkins. Oh, some parabolas in there. And then we've got a bunch of 2009 and 2010 Abysses down here. So, all I can say is Christian needs to get drinking, or I need to find another drinking buddy. We need help.
I heard that.
Yeah, so we have a lot of beer.
You know I wouldn't get another drinking partner.
No.
But we gotta get. What I told Christian we need to do is we gotta nail a couple beer reviews every night for, a week, and then take a diet break. But,
yeah, I need a diet because I drink too much as it is on the side.
Yeah.
Whenever I'm hanging with my friends, I drink too much.
So anyway, we were just doing a short little clip, not a long one tonight, just to say we're here and we're doing stuff and we're watching your videos. And
Yeah, definitely.
And Nate, hey, I liked those comments that you threw out, raking on the boy and his Lakers, not quite doing the thing.
Go Kobe Bryant. They'll turn it around eventually. I'm not worried. I still got $50 on that bet on them winning.
So anyway, Clement's Homebrew here saying, Happy Homebrew Wednesday.
Yes, happy Homebrew Wednesday.
Catch you next week.